This is the Current Sense Resistor Calculator for measuring current with a shunt, which calculates the optimal shunt resistor value for your current sensing application. Let's look at the input fields. First, enter your maximum current in amperes. This is the highest current you expect to measure in your circuit. Next, input your desired sense voltage in volts. This is the voltage drop you want across your shunt resistor at maximum current. The temperature coefficient field is optional, measured in parts per million per degree Celsius, with typical values between 50 and 100 ppm per degree C for precision resistors. For our example, let's calculate a shunt resistor for a 10 amp maximum current with a desired sense voltage of 0.1 volts, and we'll enter 75 ppm per degree C for the temperature coefficient. After clicking Calculate Shunt Resistor, the calculator provides your required shunt resistance value in ohms, the power dissipation in watts that your resistor must handle, and if you entered a temperature coefficient, it shows the resistance drift you can expect over temperature changes. These results help you select the right resistor for accurate current measurement in your design. Find the link in the description below.